Hello students, welcome to the online classes for standard 8 subject mathematics and topic is rational and irrational numbers. Before we start the second session, we can recall in the last session we have studied about the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, as well as we start to study it to the rational numbers. Rational numbers means none other than the fractions, which numbers we can write in a numerator and denominator form. Such numbers are called as a rational numbers. Rational number may be the positive numbers or maybe to the negative numbers. So we can start. Next topic is comparison of the rational numbers. Comparing means we can find out the which number is large and which number is small. So we can take some examples. First example, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Okay. 2 by 3 is the first rational number and 3 by 4 is the second rational number. We already studied in 5th standard when we comparing the rational numbers, we observe the denominators. If both fractions or both rational numbers have equal denominators, we can easily find out the which fraction or which rational number is greater. Here first rational number is 2 by 3 and second rational number is 3 by 4. Denominator of first fraction is 3 and denominator of the second fraction is 4. Means in these two fractions there are different denominators. So we must equalize the denominators. To equalize the denominators we can find out the multiple of 3 and 4. Common multiple of 3 and 4. In the table of 3 and in the table of 4, 12 is the common multiple. To get 12 in the denominator place, we multiple to the first fraction by 4 and we can multiply to the second fraction by 3. When we comparing the rational numbers, we must equalize the denominators, and when we equalizing the denominators, we can find out the common multiple of the denominators. In that way, we multiple to the first rational number by 4 and multiple to the second fraction by 3. Then we got 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. And in the second fraction, 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. Now we can find out easily which fraction is greater. Here 8 by 12 is less than 9 by 12. So we can write 2 by 3 is less than 3 by 4. Okay, we can take one another example. Negative 5 by 7 and 4 by 5. Here we don't have equalize the denominator because the first rational number is negative rational number, negative 5 by 7, and second rational number is 4 by 5, that is the positive rational number. And we are already known as every positive number is greater than the negative number. So we can write negative 5 by 7 is less than 4 by 5. In this topic, we can see if both rational numbers, first rational number positive or negative and other rational number is different rational number, that time we can choose positive rational number is a greater rational number than the negative rational number. Okay, next we can take third example. Negative 9 by 11 and negative 7 by 9. In this example, both rational numbers are negative. So, we must equalize in the denominators and find out the common multiple of the denominators. In the table of 11 and in the table of 9, 99 is the common multiple of both denominators. So we can multiply to the first fraction by 9 and we can multiply second fraction by 11. That time we can got 9 nines are 81, that is negative 81 by 11 nines are 99. 7 into 11 sevens are 77, that is negative 77 by 11 nines are 99. Both rational numbers are negative rational numbers. In that rational number, which numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. That rational number is greater. Here negative 77 is greater because negative number looking small but that is greater. So we can write negative 81 by 99 is less than negative 77 by 99. So we can say first rational number, that is negative 9 by 11 is less than negative 7 by 9. You solve the practice set number 1.2 and compare the rational numbers. The next topic is decimal representation of rational numbers. Rational numbers means we can write the numbers in the numerator and denominator form, but when we can divide numerator by the denominator, we can write the rational number in the decimal form. Means we use the decimal point and we can write a rational number into the decimal fractions. So we take one example. First example is 4 by 5. 4 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. Here we can divide 4 by 5. We can divide 4 by 5. 4 is less, so we take 0 in the question. When we take 0 after 4, that time we can take the decimal point in the question. Now 5 8s are 40. The question is 8, 5 8s are 40, remainder is 0, means 4 by 5 is a rational number we can write in a decimal form, that is 0.8. 0.8 is the decimal representation of 4 by 5. Next one, we can take another example. The second example is negative 5 by 2. When we write negative 5 by 2 in the decimal fraction or decimal form, we must divide negative 5 by 2, but here we divide 5 by 2, and which is the question, we can give the minus sign because this is a negative rational number. First numerator is negative and denominator is positive. That means one negative integer is divided by the positive integer. That time question will got as a negative. So we put the negative sign in the question. 4, remainder is 1. 1 is less than 2. We can take 0 and give the decimal point in the question. Now 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Remainder is 0. We can write negative 5 by 2 in the decimal form, that is negative 2.5. As like this, you can take another examples. You can see the page in the chapter number 1 and solve the practice set number. Which are the queries? You can send the message on the WhatsApp group. I will send you the answers. Thank you.